I go with the mindset of sell stops and buy stops. So below this low, there will be lots of stops that will trigger, and that's where institutions want to that's where they want to take their trades. Okay, so if I'm right, this would be the best area to buy. Right? If I'm right, this would be the best area to buy because they drove price there for a reason. Okay, and the reason they did that is if they want to buy, this would be the best area to buy because this is going to drive everyone to sell short, or anyone that is trying to buy long in here, which we were looking at buying. Okay, we will place our stop loss down here. That's the difference between smart money and normal retail traders, right? So when they want to take a trade entry, because of the size of their orders, they can't just take an entry. So sometimes they have to manipulate, and reasonable areas for them to manipulate price to will be below and above high. So you can notice that what you see here is similar to what you see there. So they run above this high. So it's like me selling up here, and then price rejects and comes back down. And then the same thing happening here. Price drove down quickly, took out this low, and then rejected and went back up. So that was the reason why I bought there. I bought there because it makes sense to me that that's where, if smart money is going to enter a trade, that's where they're going to enter.